healthy lifestyle motivation.
That is so cool.
Good morning, welcome back guys. I'm having kind of like a relaxed day today. I don't know, the whole vibe of this video is wellness, healthy lifestyle motivation. You guys are gonna come with me to spend the day doing some self-care stuff in my city and also trying new things out. But I did want to start this video out with a little bit of a mention of some new jewelry pieces that I got in this month from Luisa, my absolute favorites. Literally all that I own when it comes to accessories and jewelry. They have such good styles. So I'm definitely going to put you guys on and pop a link in the description box below if you guys are interested to try quality items. And I'm always about quality over quantity. And these pieces last for years to come. And their packaging is always super cute, very aesthetic, very giftable. And you're getting luxury quality at affordable prices. And I love affordability, as you guys know from my videos here. I got these earrings. They were definitely giving fall time to me. I just feel like they'd be super cute for an evening out or a date night. And they have little pearls on them and they are a dangly style with gold detailing. I don't have a lot of pearl pieces. I've been wearing these pearl studs also from Luisa that I've had for years in my second hole, so I thought these would match them perfectly. They are called the drop earring medium Frida. That's what they're called. So if you guys are looking for them, you can search these on Luisa. And then I also got this ring, which I have been wearing. I did put it back in the box. It's super cute. It's my perfect size. I got size 7. Perfectly like over the knuckle and doesn't really slip off. And this silhouette, this again is a gold piece. It's the Wade ring. What the hell? They had me confused. They were supposed to come in 3 days. Over here banging like the police, y'all. But anyway, the ring style that I have, like I said, it's the Wade ring if you guys are looking for it on Luisa. I do think that these pieces look really cute together. Honestly, anything gold, in my opinion, you can just kind of mix and match with what you already own, and I love to mix all my pieces and wear them just depending on the vibe and what outfit I'm wearing and where I'm going. And I really like the quality of their pieces, which is why I'm such a big fan of Luisa. They don't tarnish. Like I said, I've had a lot of my pieces for several years. Wear my earrings all the time, never have to worry about taking them out when I hop into the shower. Very carefree jewelry that's extremely affordable. So if you guys are looking to revamp your accessories and your jewelry pieces for this fall season, definitely check them out. I don't think you guys will be disappointed. They also have necklaces, bracelets, they have anklets, and so much more over on the website. And they do have fast and free shipping in the USA, which is nice. And a 2-year warranty. Baby, they got you guys covered. Definitely check them out, and let's get into the rest of this video. I'm at Joe and the Juice. Got a ginger shot. It's not very spicy. This needs lemon. I also ordered a spicy tuna sandwich, which I'm really excited about. tuna, spicy tuna with avocado. The packaging gets a 10 out of a 10. So it has tuna, a vegan pesto, avocado, tomato, jalapeno, Tabasco. Oh, sorry. I like the bread. What's your review? You're not happy with it? Oh, really? The hot sauce? Does that have pesto on it? I like it. I would come back just for this. If I had extra tuna, it'd be even better. The juice isn't as good as the tuna. So I'm in Bethesda Row, by the way, in Maryland, and while I was out here I wanted to check out this Anthropologie just from walking around, and oh my gosh, it was 3 levels. The first floor had clothing and also like a atrium with a ton of like live plants, all the candles, and the upstairs floor had all the home stuff. And I've been wanting to kind of just check out some new fall things, check out some candles, get some inspo. As a girly on a budget, I do appreciate a good window shopping day just to kind of get out of the house and get new ideas of things that I can incorporate within my own home. So I definitely recommend checking out this location. I also heard the Georgetown Anthro is also really good for home stuff if you guys are in the area. But the way my jaw dropped, I did not know they actually had furniture. So it was staged with all of the rooms, and it just gave such good, I don't know, serotonin, like all the colors and the patterns. It's not 100% my style as I'm more modern, but this big full-length mirror in the back, very antique-y, was definitely screaming at me for the beauty room. It smells like fall. I feel like that's too delicate. No. Guys, I'm all about the cafes, I guess, today. This one is way bigger. We can go get pasta after. Why? And here's the part where I get to try something new today, which is sweathouz. It is a sauna studio with a cold plunge tub. Honestly, thinking back now, I don't think that they changed this water in between each session, which is kind of gross. I don't know how I feel about that considering it's $75 a session, but that's just me. So I wanted to show you guys a tour of this suite. This, they said, holds 4 people, but I had 2 people in here for this session. It was fine. I feel like 4 would be a little bit cramped. They also give the option to choose between a towel that is cold. I went for a lavender one, And I started out with a shower because I came from the gym. They also have shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. And these showers are infused with vitamin C. I thought this was really nice. Basic shower, very relaxing. I mean, I could shower at home, but I was here for the vibes. They also have some breathing techniques and just some details on the plunge itself. I think she said it was around 50 degrees. I don't know, but we're gonna try it out. All right, guys, I'm gonna set a timer to see how long I can last. Oh, there, I'm scared. Really scared. Oh my god. 30 seconds. It's my feet are frozen. I can't. 30 seconds. No, thank you. I can't move. That is so cold. The infrared sauna was really nice and relaxing. I was a little bit upset it wasn't already hot by the time we booked our session, because we weren't able to experience the highest temperature, which is 175. I think the highest it got to within our 60 minutes was 150. So I feel like that's just not right. They should have had this preheated, but it took a while to get hot. And I do think that the sauna was probably my favorite out of the 3 things that you could do in this personal space. I like that it's a personal sauna and then you could shower right after. The amenities are really nice, like all of the towels that you have, and they also had a bag for your wet swimsuit afterwards. My ideal session would be sitting in the sauna for 45 minutes, then going into the cold plunge for, I don't know, a minute if I could do it, and then ending with a shower afterwards. Now, during my 60 minutes in this private room, I wanted to do the cold plunge at least twice to outbeat the first 30 seconds, and I was able to do it for about 35. I couldn't really submerge my whole body, guys. Like, I don't know, the girl said she only did it for 10, so I don't know what I was expecting, but I think the next time I'll be able to sit in here a little bit longer. It's just this pins and needles feeling on the top of my feet. I don't know, it was really tough, but I'd love to know if you guys would try something like this. And have you done something like this? I thought it would be good to do for muscle recovery and also to get into trying different studio classes. This was a good introduction for me to kind of switch up my routine, and it makes me feel comfortable booking something new to try, maybe like a Pilates class or Soul Cycle I've been wanting to do. I wanted to vlog a little bit. I haven't hooked up the aux or anything, but you can use YouTube TV. This chair is a little squeaky, and it's heating up right now in the infrared, and I know that it's some type of different heat. The sauna at my gym goes to 212 and it's really hot. This one goes up to, I think, 170 or 175, and baby, I'm feeling it, and it's only at 142, but I set the timer for 30 minutes, and I already did my vitamin C shower because I came straight from doing upper body at the gym, and that was really refreshing. They have shampoo, conditioner, and body wash here. They also gave us a tour when we showed up, and there's a little section outside with the bathroom and then mirror, like a vanity with a Dyson. So if you want to blow dry your hair after your session, you can do that as well. And I think they gave like 5 minutes of leeway on top of the hour for the actual use. So this is a bigger room meant for 4 people, and she recommended the cold plunge or the sauna. No, she said the vitamin C shower, the sauna, the cold plunge, and recycle that cycle twice. And I just started with the shower, and I'm gonna end with the shower. I'm gonna go from the sauna, the cold plunge, the sauna, back into the cold plunge, and then I think the sauna, just to maximize my time, and then end with a little bit of a shower. So ideally I'd come with no makeup because I just don't want to deal with that. And they also give you an essential oil, like cold washcloth. So you can pick citrus or lavender. I went with lavender. And also I noticed at the front they had a water dispenser and the Element. Y'all know I like those electrolytes. I should have asked if they are free so I could put one in my water. You'll definitely want to replenish after this, but it's at 145 degrees right now. So hopefully it'll get to 170 by the time I start my session, guys. But there is a countdown too, which is helpful. But I guess I'll see you when it's my turn to get into the cold plunge, and we'll see how that goes. I forgot to do an outro for this video because I'm editing the vlog today. And overall, I had such a good experience out at the wellness center. Well, it's not even a wellness center. It's more like a sauna place. And I do have a sauna at my gym. So I don't know if I would necessarily be super inclined right now to jump on getting a membership there. The cold plunge was a cool experience for my first time. But now, like the next day, I woke up kind of feeling a little sick and like a sinus headache. So I don't know, just a change of temperature from the hot sauna to the cold plunge. I did that rotation twice. I think it shocked my body or something. Maybe I'll return like every once in a while. I think it was a very cute vibe, very aesthetic, something healthy to introduce into my routine of being in the gym and having recovery time on rest days. Would be fun to also go with a group of people. I just went with one other person and it was enough space where we felt comfortable and bopping around to the different things that you could do in there. But I just wanted to share my experience and give you guys a review on Sweathouz if you have one in your area. I know in the DMV, there's a couple locations in Virginia actually. There also might be some in DC. So maybe next time I go, I'd try a different location. But anyway, on that note, if you guys are interested again to check out Anna Luisa and shop any of their beautiful stunning jewelry, and again, the ring that I was wearing today was this one, the Wade ring. So cute. It added such a cute pop to my basic outfit. And mind you, I was just going to the gym, but I just felt really cute having some accessories on for the day. Then definitely check out the links in the description box below. And I will see you guys in my next video very soon. Bye.